Bullish here. I am not gonna lie at all. Look on the dailies. The bands are about to cross over on the stochastic RSI and it's about to flip upwards, right? Or so you'd think. You'd think this is just gonna go down. Like that sort of thing. I know my art isn't the best, however, it does look bullish. The only thing that isn't adding up, the only thing, if we look at the S&P 500, it's at all-time highs. And we expect a correction, especially with the 50 basis point rate cut. So we expect this to come down to at least we're saying 8% minimum, maybe even 20, maybe even larger. Who knows? Who knows where this is going to correct to? But this is going to correct. Nothing stays high for... It can only stay high for so long, is what I'm trying to get at. And how long is it going to stay high for? Only time will tell. If we look at gold, yeah, gold's coming down as well. It might have one last top, gold, and then Bitcoin may follow. However, who knows, over these next few months is very risky, depending on rate cuts, depending on elections. A lot of things are going to be playing a factor into all of this as price, including gold, Bitcoin, the SPX. What have we got trending today? I don't know what this AI companions garbage is, because that's going up like mad. Yeah, Sui's looking hella good, I'm not gonna lie. Even though I did violate it in one of my earlier videos. Reef. Whatever the heck that is. Look at all this stuff. This stuff is pumping. Baby Dodge. You know we like our meme coins. You know we like our meme coins. Yeah, Sui's flying, man. It's almost gonna hit all-time highs. How has it managed to do that? Accumulate, accumulate, boom. Blast off. 800 million. New crypto investment trust for Sui. That's probably why. Because Grayscale approved. Baby Dodge. Ooh, that's a nasty, nasty, nasty pump. From the lows. That is a nasty pump. Imagine how much money you could have made there. It's 31 for altcoin season. I thought it'd be stronger than that. Some stuff's pumping today. Does this look like it's turning down then? Yeah, it looks similar to this. Like a mini, hyper mini altcoin season. Very tiny, very small. Come back down. Give us another small one. And then what? Fly. Yeah, a lot of things need to be in place for that. We're still in fear. We're still in fear. 41. Liquidations. I don't think CoinGlass wants to load, you know. CoinGlass does not want to load. Let's go over to Twitter then. Did I even add anything to my bookmarks? I don't think I did. We might have to just casually scroll. Yeah, we didn't. Interesting. Conor McGregor, bro. MG, the animal is finally bearish. Send it to 500k. Is Capo bearish? Yo, we might be going higher, man. We might be going to 200k. Healthiest meal you could eat on God's green earth. Why eating on a slab though? Yeah, you're probably right though. He looks jacked. Sold all my soul and all in Sui. No way. He's gone all in on Sui. My meme coin bag on Sui network. Shill me, please. Bro, these lot are degenerates, bro. I need to probably get on the Sui blockchain. Yo, Sui's probably gonna go crazy, man. Brett vs Shib. Yo, it might be coming up time to flipping load up the Brett bag. Yo, that might go crazy, you know. Final seconds of doubt before the FOMO. I think he might be right, but on a longer time frame than he thinks. Yo, Brett might go crazy. Competed with Man City. Yo, that's fact. Did you panic sell or did you believe in something? At this point, it's still nagging. No way. Bro. Sui Network has higher net flows than Solana again. Yo, that is mental. What is going on? Let's look at Sui, man. What the hell is going on with Sui? And why is it pumping so hard? It's supposed to be coming down. It's supposed to be coming down, bro. Come down, bro. Does Sui have memes? Sui Network. Now, I don't want USDCG. I want actual Sui. Get it up. Here we go. Right, I get it. It's got a logo. Where is it? What is it, like a 4 bill market cap? Here we go. Why? Like, why? Why is it popping off so hard? It's on Binance, okay. Yeah, it's on Coinbase as well. It's got the big exchanges. What about the token unlocks? When's the next unlock? 72% left to unlock. Yeah, keep me away from that garbage. Keep me away from that garbage. This looks like some FUD to me, man. Looks like some garbage to me. It might still pump. Expecting a 20 to 30% retracement from current levels. Even after finally taking some corrections, it's still doing great in the market. Yeah, it's crazy how it's doing insane in this market. Look at that. That is insane. That is crazy, bro. Immense strength, regardless of selling pressure. Oh, he's expecting it to come back down though. Proper levels. To what, like $1? Yeah, we need a major correction. You're buying the top if you buy it now. It's not even worth it. It's not worth it. You're going to be sat through an insane correction. Really not worth it. Another thing we wanted to look at today is, in my watch list I've added something called the Volkswagen. Look at the chart as well. It's right at the bottom. Just on a basic chart analysis, it's just all the way at the bottom. It's probably lower than it has been in the last major corrections. Has a 9% dividend yield per year. 9%. They own Audi, Skoda, Bugatti, Bentley. A lot of people who are liking the Volkswagen buy at the moment. 9.95%. They're paying you to own it, basically. Let's look at the analysis in the news. Some people are saying it's going to fly. You could dollar cost average into this. I think the reason why it crashed so hard is because a lot of people aren't buying cars at the moment. So the market forecasts to grow to 22.45. What do you think is going to happen? It's experienced a significant surge. An increased awareness of environmental issues and technological progression within the sector, especially with electric cars and stuff coming. Stakeholders are leveraging that decrease in the total cost of ownership and ongoing transformation in the automotive industry to fuel market progression. $22.45 billion by 2025. Accelerated adoption of electric vehicles amplified by consumer education, technological advancements in battery life cycle management, strategic partnership across the electric vehicle industry ecosystem. Okay. Electric motors, charging setups is more pertinent than ever. Okay. It seems like they're trying to sell me it. Groundbreaking service solutions, particularly for charging station maintenance, EV charging infrastructure. Yo, this sounds good, I ain't gonna lie. They make you wanna buy it. Forecast period, yo. All these companies here. Okay, okay, sounds good in theory. What do they mean cost cutting? What do they mean by that? Cutting costs. Alright, they're trying to cut some costs. 25,000 workers. Wolfsburg. We've been spending more money at the brand than we earn for some time now. That can't go well in the long term. Won't succeed in the transformation. "10 years behind. EV sales an issue for Australia. Significant renewal of the Volkswagen Australia showroom, which presents a huge opportunity for the Volkswagen brand. 50%. EV orders were down 50%. These are on Audi as well. Yeah, that's mental. consist of electric options transport and Carvel models. So they're making more models. The cars are looking alright. Let's look up Volkswagen website. Obviously, you need to do more research than I'm doing here. I'm just looking at the quick little look at the website. You can even buy used cars. What is that? That car is the worst car I've ever seen in my life. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. Volkswagen looks alright, man. Europe's biggest automaker is in decline. Lowers annual performance forecast again amid weak demand. Weak demand? Like, why? May be facing significant challenges. Weak car demand reduces revenue, profit, and cash flow. Forecast last Friday, the company now expects its 2024 revenue to decrease by 0.7% to 320 billion euros from 2023's 322. Forecast was the growth of up to 5%. The profit margin is now projected to drop to 5.6%, down from the previous expectations. Okay. Net cash flow from its automotive division to be around 2 billion euros in 2024, much lower than early estimates of 4.5 billion. Global car delivery forecast to about 9 million units. 3% target over 2023's total deliveries of 9.24 million. This marks the fourth consecutive year of declining annual deliveries for the company. Wow. Have also recently announced downward revisions. Okay. Repeated downward revisions highlight the severity of the crisis the automaker is facing. The main reason for the forecast adjustments include underperformance in its passenger car segment and significant market share declines in China for its Volkswagen, Audi and Porsche brands. Once dominated the Chinese market for fuel cars but has failed to keep the pace with the rapid shift to electric devices. Have they not shifted? Have gained an edge with innovative and affordable models. Independent automotive analyst noted that Volkswagen's scale advantages may have peaked as Chinese consumers increasingly favour domestic brands. Why? Because they're cheaper. BYD. BYD cars, let's see. These lot have an electrical range, that's why. Ah, okay, so in China people want these. That's high though, man. You don't want to buy high. No way. It's also lagging its transition to electrical vehicles, facing fierce competition from new entrants in the European market, but they're a massive brand. Eventually they're going to get what they want, right? Close of 2 domestic factories in Germany and terminate a job protection agreement that has been in place for over 20 years. If implemented, this would mark the first time Volkswagen has closed a domestic factory since its inception. What? European automotive industry is facing very tight and severe conditions, falling behind in manufacturing competitiveness. Adjustments, critical structural adjustments promise no layoffs until 2029. Cost reduction and efficiency improvement are urgent needs. Revenue grew by 1.6%. Profit fell by 11.4%. In car sales, yeah. Alright, so it's not looking good. We know that. What about this? Let's flip this around here. Reject all. Second profit warning in 3 months makes one thing clear. Europe's automaker is in decline. Slashed expectations for revenue, profit and cash flow due to a waning demand for its cars. To deliver fewer vehicles this year than in 2023's fourth annual sales slump in 5 years, which explains obviously why it's been going down for since 2021. Makes sense. The one that goes the extent of Chrysler, Volkswagen, electric cars and lost relevance in China are hemorrhaging market share in Europe, chief executive, as well as conflict with unions over possible job cuts. 2%. This year's dropped 15%. All three major German car makers have now warned about their profit this month. Yeah, this one would need a stop loss on it, I can't lie. Defo need a stop loss on it. It's not looking good for these lot. Drop. All you hear is dropping and cutting costs and continue to drag cash conversion to new lows, potentially creating an exogenous risk for the group. Alright, I still think it's low though. When has it ever been this low, man? Why did it fall from there? 2015, all of 2015 it crashed. It's crashed, man. I'd still put a stop loss on it. I'd still take it. It's a risk, but put a stop loss on it. You won't lose 100%. I think that's what I am going to do. I ain't no financial advisor, but that might be the play. G. When I see a play, I'm taking it. Why would you get BYD? I mean, they look hard and all that. I ain't done the research into it, but yeah, the website's nice too. Let's look at the cars. That is the worst car I've ever seen. It's this one, the Seal. These are electric. That looks like a Tesla, man. Everyone's just copying Tesla. Every car's gonna look the same. Volkswagen will catch up though. Yeah, Tesla's high too. The electric cars are booming. That's one to think about though, Volkswagen. You don't want to buy when it's high, man. You don't want to buy when it's high. I'm sure they'll fix up, but they've been declining for some time. They've never declined like this in the past ever. Usually it's a quick drop. It's a risky one.